In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a demo account in Vantage. And here's the honest answer up front. There isn't a permanent delete button for demo accounts in Vantage. Unlike live accounts, which have formal closure options, demo accounts are designed for short-term practice and testing. They're lightweight, temporary profiles meant to help you try strategies, get familiar with the platform, and build confidence without risking real funds. So what actually happens to a demo account when you're done with it? Vantage sets these accounts to auto-expire. If you stop using a demo account, it typically expires after about 30 days. Once it expires, you won't be able to log in with those demo credentials anymore. There's no data to recover or close, and there's nothing you need to do to finalize it. Think of it as a sandbox that naturally resets itself if you walk away for a while. This is intentional so that you can experiment freely without worrying about permanent records or maintenance. If you want to start fresh right now, you can create a new demo account instead of waiting for the old one to expire. Here's how that works in practice. Log in to your Vantage client portal, then navigate to the Accounts section and choose Open Account. When prompted, select Demo Account. Next, you'll choose your preferred settings, the trading platform you want to practice on, your account currency, the leverage level that suits your testing plan, and your starting balance. Confirm, and your new demo account will be created instantly. You'll receive new demo credentials, and you can begin trading on a clean slate. Your previous demo account can simply be ignored. It will expire on its own if you don't use it. If you're using the Vantage mobile app, there's also a handy reset option for the demo balance. This lets you top up or reset your virtual funds without creating a new account. It doesn't delete the account itself, but it's a quick way to clear the slate if your only goal is to refresh your practice capital. To recap the essentials, there's no delete button for demo accounts. They automatically expire after around 30 days of inactivity, and the practical workaround is to open a new demo with the settings you prefer. Use whichever approach fits your workflow, and you'll always have a clean environment to test strategies and keep learning.